Toyota vehicles use different clock systems depending on the model year and trim level. Understanding which type your vehicle has is essential for keeping accurate time. Toyota's clock systems have evolved significantly over the past decade. Let's examine the three main categories of systems you'll encounter. Most Toyota vehicles from 2020 onwards feature automatic clock systems. These use GPS satellites and cellular connectivity to maintain accurate time without user intervention. These systems include Entune 3.0 and Toyota Audio Multimedia, which sync with smartphones and receive over-the-air updates for daylight saving time changes. Vehicles manufactured before 2018 typically use manual clock systems. These require the driver to physically adjust the time using dashboard buttons, especially during daylight saving time changes. Mid-generation Toyota vehicles from 2015 to 2019 often feature semi-automatic systems. These can detect time changes, but require user confirmation before updating the clock. To identify which system your Toyota has, check your model year and trim level. Look for Toyota Safety Sense 2.0 or newer, and examine your infotainment system capabilities. Understanding your Toyota's clock system type is the first step to ensuring accurate timekeeping. Modern vehicles offer convenience through automation, while older models provide reliable manual control. Toyota vehicles use three different clock adjustment methods depending on the model year. Let's walk through each system step by step. For 2020 and newer Toyota models with automatic systems, the clock should update automatically within 30 minutes of driving if your vehicle has GPS or cellular connectivity. If manual adjustment is needed, navigate to Settings, then General, then Date and Time, and finally select Manual Adjustment. For 2015 to 2019 Toyota models with semi-automatic systems, navigate to Settings, then General or Display Settings, then Clock or Date and Time to confirm or manually adjust the time. For pre-2015 Toyota models with manual systems, locate the clock button on your dashboard or radio. Press and hold the clock button, then use the hour and minute buttons to adjust the time. Remember, newer Toyota models update automatically, mid-generation models may need confirmation, and older models require manual button presses. Choose the method that matches your vehicle's year and system type.